everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Gear and Crank upgrade kit from Grumpy Head Designs over on Etsy. This video will focus on the Sentro Jam It 22 pin, otherwise known as the Rabbit. The tools that you'll need for installation are the contents of the upgrade kit, which include the new Gear and Crank, as well as an Allen wrench and a circular shim. You'll also need a long skinny Phillips head screwdriver, and it's recommended that you have Vaseline or white lithium grease on hand. To begin, we'll need to get inside our machine. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove all 4 screws from around the machine. Then, gently pull the pieces apart to expose the existing gear and crank. Remove the 2 screws and the plate, keeping it in place. And then, gently take out the old gear and crank. Remove the knob and attach to the new crank. Add lubricant to both the existing gear teeth and the new gear, and place in the machine where the previous part was located. Lastly, reattach the plate that holds the part in place. To attach the shim, remove the top pin stabilizer ring and set it to the side. Add lubricant to the top of the white ring around the body of your machine. Lay the shim so the protruding rim is facing up, and then replace the top ring. Now it's time to close up your machine. We'll do this one side at a time, starting with the back. Take the inside piece and align it so the outer white ring with the shim on top is under the second shelf. If you struggle, you might find it easier to place the shim in first and then slip the rest under the shim. Slide the inside pieces so they gently snap into place. Careful not to give too much pressure or you may damage your machine. Now, take the front piece and follow the same steps as before. The front and back pieces should fit snugly together. Reattach all 4 screws around your machine, and you're done.